What are the newest eco-city projects in the world? There has been a global upsurge in the creation of eco-city projects that prioritize the sustainability, resilience, and quality of life of the inhabitants. Every project is different, however here are a few notable examples. Masdar City, UAE. Masdar City in Abu Dhabi is one of the most well-known eco-city projects globally. Designed to be a hub for clean technology and renewable energy, it incorporates sustainable design principles, renewable energy sources, and advanced technologies to minimize carbon emissions and resource consumption. Dongtan Eco-City, China, located near Shanghai, Dongtan Eco-City is envisioned as a model for sustainable urban development. It prioritizes green spaces, renewable energy, public transportation, and efficient resource management to create a low-carbon and eco-friendly community. Songdo International Business District, South Korea. Songdo, a planned city near Seoul, is designed to be a smart and sustainable urban center. It features green buildings, efficient waste management systems, extensive green spaces, and advanced infrastructure for transportation and communication. Forest City, Malaysia. Forest City is a large-scale eco-development project in Malaysia, comprising a network of green buildings, parks, and eco-friendly infrastructure. It aims to integrate nature into urban living while promoting sustainability and biodiversity conservation. Vauban, Germany. Vauban, a neighborhood in Freiburg, Germany, is known for its emphasis on sustainable living and eco-friendly design. It features energy-efficient buildings, car-free zones, extensive public transportation, and community-driven initiatives to reduce ecological footprint. Dockside Green, Canada. Dockside Green in Victoria, British Columbia, is a mixed-use development that prioritizes sustainability and environmental stewardship. It incorporates green building practices, renewable energy systems, water conservation measures, and sustainable transportation options. Planet Valley, Portugal. Planet Valley is an ambitious eco-city project planned for Paredes, Portugal. It aims to leverage advanced technology, data analytics, and sustainable design principles to create a highly efficient and livable urban environment with minimal environmental impact. Langqiao Eco-City, China. Langqiao Eco-City, located in Xiamen, China, is a pilot project for sustainable urban development. It focuses on green buildings, renewable energy, eco-friendly transportation, and ecological restoration to create a harmonious balance between urbanization and environmental protection. These are only a few of the newest eco-city projects taking place throughout the globe. Many other cities and towns are implementing green practices and sustainable initiatives to address environmental problems and create healthier, more resilient urban environments. What are the best designs to build eco-friendly cities? To build environmentally friendly cities, infrastructure, architecture, urban planning, and community development must all incorporate some sustainability, resource efficiency, and resilience-related concepts. The following basic components and techniques may help create eco-friendly cities, even if the precise design features may change based on the goals and local environment. Compact urban form, promote dense, mixed-use development patterns that reduce sprawl, minimize land consumption, and facilitate efficient land use. Compact cities promote walkability, reduce the need for car travel, and support public transportation systems. Green buildings, design and construct buildings with high energy efficiency standards, incorporating passive design strategies, efficient insulation, natural daylighting, and renewable energy systems such as solar panels and wind turbines. Green roofs, living walls, and vegetated facades can enhance building performance and biodiversity. Sustainable transportation, prioritize walking, cycling, and public transportation by designing pedestrian-friendly streets, bike lanes, and transit-oriented developments. Encourage the use of electric vehicles and promote car-sharing and ride-sharing programs to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and minimize air pollution. Renewable energy integration, integrate renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power into the urban energy infrastructure, implement distributed energy generation, microgrids, and energy storage systems to enhance resilience and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Green infrastructure, incorporate green spaces, parks, urban forests, and green corridors into the urban fabric to enhance biodiversity, improve air quality, mitigate urban heat island effects, manage stormwater runoff, and provide recreational amenities for residents. Water conservation and management, implement water-efficient landscaping, rainwater harvesting systems, greywater recycling, and decentralized wastewater treatment technologies to conserve water resources, reduce water pollution, and enhance water resilience in the face of climate change. Waste reduction and recycling, promote waste reduction, recycling, and composting programs to minimize solid waste generation and divert waste from landfills. Design waste management systems that prioritize resource recovery, circular economy principles, and sustainable materials management. Smart technology and data analytics, utilize smart sensors, Internet of Things, IoT, devices, and data analytics platforms to optimize resource use, monitor environmental performance, and improve urban efficiency in areas such as energy, water, transportation, waste management, and public services. Community engagement and social equity, involve local communities in the planning, design, and implementation of eco-friendly initiatives to ensure that they meet the needs and priorities of diverse stakeholders. Promote social equity, inclusion, and accessibility in access to green spaces, affordable housing, public transportation, and essential services. Resilience and adaptation, design cities to be resilient to climate change impacts such as extreme weather events, sea level rise, and heat waves by integrating climate-responsive design strategies, green infrastructure, and nature-based solutions. Implement risk assessment, emergency preparedness, and adaptive management measures to enhance urban resilience over the long term. Cities may become more livable, sustainable, and resilient by implementing these design concepts and techniques. They may also address environmental problems and enhance the current and future quality of life for city dwellers. How can eco-friendly cities solve climate change and improve the sustainability of the world? Eco-friendly cities are crucial in many ways to halting climate change and promoting global sustainability, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Eco-friendly cities prioritize low-carbon transportation, energy-efficient buildings, renewable energy sources, and sustainable practices. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing energy consumption, they contribute to lowering greenhouse gas emissions, a key driver of climate change. Promoting renewable energy, eco-friendly cities integrate renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power into their energy infrastructure. By investing in clean energy technologies and reducing dependence on fossil fuels, they help mitigate climate change while supporting the transition to a sustainable energy future. Mitigating urban heat island effects, green spaces, parks, and urban forests in eco-friendly cities help mitigate urban heat island effects, reducing temperatures and improving air quality. By providing natural cooling and shading, green infrastructure enhances comfort for residents and reduces energy demand for air conditioning. Conserving water resources, eco-friendly cities implement water-efficient landscaping, rainwater harvesting systems, and sustainable water management practices to conserve water resources and reduce water consumption. By promoting water conservation and reducing water pollution, they contribute to freshwater sustainability and resilience to drought. Improving air quality, sustainable transportation, energy-efficient buildings, and green infrastructure in eco-friendly cities help reduce air pollution and improve air quality. By minimizing emissions of pollutants such as particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds, they protect public health and enhance the quality of life for residents. Enhancing biodiversity, green spaces, parks, and natural habitats in eco-friendly cities provide habitat for wildlife, support biodiversity, and promote ecosystem services such as pollination, soil fertility, and carbon sequestration. By preserving and restoring natural areas, eco-friendly cities contribute to biodiversity conservation and ecosystem resilience. Reducing waste generation, eco-friendly cities promote waste reduction, recycling, and composting programs to minimize solid waste generation and divert waste from landfills. By adopting circular economy principles and sustainable materials management practices, they reduce environmental impacts and conserve resources. Fostering sustainable lifestyles, eco-friendly cities encourage sustainable lifestyles and behaviors among residents through education, awareness campaigns, and community engagement initiatives. By promoting walking, cycling, public transportation, and eco-friendly consumer choices, they empower individuals to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to sustainability. Building resilience to climate change, eco-friendly cities integrate climate-resilient design principles, green infrastructure, and nature-based solutions to build resilience to climate change impacts such as extreme weather events, sea level rise, and heat waves. By enhancing adaptive capacity and reducing vulnerability, they help communities withstand and recover from climate-related challenges. Setting examples and spurring innovation, eco-friendly cities serve as models of sustainable urban development, demonstrating the feasibility and benefits of environmentally friendly practices. By showcasing innovative technologies, policies, and strategies, they inspire other cities to take action and accelerate the global transition to a more sustainable and resilient future. Positively, by integrating environmental considerations into urban design, architecture, and management, eco-friendly cities considerably contribute to lowering global warming, protecting the environment, and improving global sustainability.